nyaman, bisa dimundurin juga, terus ada charger juga. Sini ada charger, cukup bagus, oke banget. Nanti kita ketemu lagi di sana ngeliat Ninbin kayak apa.
First of all, my name is Son, okay? S-O-N. Or you can call me Sun, it's okay. Yeah, so I'm 26 years old. Also about my name, if you know Chinese, it will mean the mountain. So when my parents named me, they want my knowledge high like the mountain. So that's the reason for my name, yeah? And here we have our amazing driver, Mr. Tien. He has more than 10 years driving big bus like this, and he just got the license yesterday, so we got nothing to worry about, right?
Kita lagi di rest area tempat berperhentian. Di sini jual lukisan-lukisan, souvenir. Dikasih waktu 15 menit untuk pipis, mungkin beli kopi dan souvenir di sini. Ada perhiasan juga. Ini gelang kayu harganya 21 juta dong. What the fuck? Ada outdoornya juga.
Oh, welcome everyone. Thank you. Okay, coming up next, 4-person.
That's the entrance right there.
It's big, right? Yeah, rich people in Vietnam really want to show off. Not want to buy some fruit or some lovely souvenir, but if you don't want to buy, you can say no. In Vietnam mean is không. Không mean no. Okay, không.
Không.
Yeah. Everyone follow me. Không.
Không.
Yes, just like that. Không. Yeah. Or if you don't want to say không, you can say thôi ở nhà em có rồi, em không mua nữa đâu. But không is better, right? Yes, more convenient. Okay, so that is our Vietnamese language lesson today.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so we will go inside for 15 minutes. 15 minutes, okay? So now is 10:20. I will say now is 10:20. Go inside for 15 minutes. So if you go inside, don't see me or the group, you can come back here 11 and 10, okay? 11 and 10.
Mấy giờ đến xe chị ơi?
Woi.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so we are going to show of 42-year living as our capital. You can see in 1939, we end 1,000 year dominant by the China. But at that time, the king don't have choice, so no one will lead the country at that time. So in Vietnam, there was 12 independent warlords try to rebel and take a stand for the group. And also at that time there was a kid named Dinh Bộ Linh. This kid, in his childhood, he plays a fake battle with the children in the village. You can see that he was a kid listening to buffalo as a war horse and believe as a weapon or the flag to place. And Dinh Bộ Linh is always lean and really famous with the kid in the village. And you know, at that time there was a pro-independent warlord. So when he's grown up, he's gathering his army and his two sons here to fight back on 12 warlord and reunited Vietnam one more time. Okay, so here Everyone comes up. Yes, so here is the time he becomes a king. But unfortunately, he's only stayed in the throne for 12 years. Okay, you can see this is a place for the king who lived. The king lived inside this temple, and later on we will go inside the temple. Yes, it will look exactly like this. Okay, and everyone can see the flag here. You can see around a lot of flag like this, right? This is not Vietnamese flag, you know, right? This in the past we believe the universe was created by five main elements. The red one for the fire, the yellow one here for the earth, the blue one here for the tree or the wood, and the green one, the blue one here for the water. Anyone can guess the why is?
Sky.
Oh, correct. It's a metal. Really good. So, yes. So every year, like me, born in 1998, my element is fire. Okay. Sorry. My element is earth. Yeah. So anyone want to know which element you are, you can come to see me, and I will check with Mr. Google. Okay. So moving on. Yes, and I told you he's only stayed as a king for 12 years. After that, he being murdered by an officer. That officer one night dreaming the star falling to his mouth. So he thought if he kills the king, he can become the king. So the king and two elder sons were dead, and only left is one child, which only 6 years old at that time, and the queen knows that the kid cannot leave the country to fight back the China in the north and the Champa enemy from the south. So he gives the throne for the general named Lê Đại Hành, ending the Ding dynasty and opens the Lê dynasty. Yes, here's the Lê king. Okay, so the Lê king is the army to fight back on the enemy and bring peace to Vietnam for 29 years. And after 29 years, he was dead, and his son was a ruleless king. So everyone vote for another person. This will be the Lý king here to become the king, ending the Lê dynasty, over the Lý dynasty. And the Lý dynasty only stays in Ninh Bình here for 1 year. After that, he moves the capital from here to Hanoi. Yes. And if you go into the walking street in Hanoi, you can see his status pointing to the land, saying this will be our capital. Yeah. So if you can see that in here a lot of mountain and river, right? It's not good for the agriculture or for trading job, and every year in here got flood every year. So it's not good for the development of the country. So he moved to Hanoi. It's much better place. Yeah. So that is 42 years Ninh Bình as a capital of Vietnam go through 3 dynasties. Okay. So now we go inside the Dinh King temple.
Được chưa? Ra ngoài cùng nha anh. Nhà anh còn được. Đó.
So here, everything you can see is that door is quite new, right? So you know the Dinh King lived 1,000 years ago, but all the thing here were built in the 17th century. Yes, so 400 years ago. But it still look really new, right? Because the government want to maintain everything, so they inject the chemical, so avoid the insects and protect all the wood here. Yeah. Also, can you see the tree here? Later on, you will see a lot of this kind of tree inside. This tree is a really special tree. In the past, or even now, we used to make chopstick from this tree. In the past, only royal can have this the chopstick from this tree, so it can detect the poison. So if you put the chopstick inside the food, which is with poison, it will turn to black. And put outside just 1 hour, it will become normal. Yeah. So I don't know why the king still being poisoned, but the story said he would have so much fun with the local people. So he was wasted. He was drunk. So he got poisoned. Did not check the food and got poisoned. Yes. Okay. Moving on, everyone. Do not step in the doorstep here. Just go through. Okay. Do not step through. So from the right, outside from the left, the right. Okay.
Kanan dulu, bos.
You can see the middle one. We cannot go in the middle one because that's a way for the king. The servant or like the staff only can go on from the right and outside from the left. Yes, and you see the doorstep really high, right? So when you go through the doorstep, you have to have bow to show the respect with the king. That's why we make the doorstep so high. Yeah. And you can see here a lot of the Kim Zhao tree I just showed you around here. Okay, so now we go inside the Ding King Temple, and I can. So you can see there's a burner here and a lot of incense stick, right? So we burn the incense stick on the 1st of the month and the full moon, which is the 15th of the month, twice time for a month. And the incense stick lies a Wi-Fi connection with our ancestor. We ask for the health or succeed in the job, and we do not ask for property or money because we believe that we have to earn from the work hard. Okay, and you can see there are two dragons on the top. One is Jing and one is Yang, and the middle is the moon. And you can see in there are two colorful catfish. Yes, we believe the catfish is equal for the children here, for the students. That after all the challenge, they will become the dragon. Yeah. So you see a lot of kids going here praise for the success in their studies. And over there also is the dragon bed. Later on you can see it in the middle where we have the dragon. In Vietnam we have 4 holy animals. The first one is dragon, symbol for the king. Phoenix, symbol for the queen. The unicorn, symbol for the servant or the prince. There's 2 unicorns over there. You see, not the unicorn you imagined, right? This is the unicorn in Vietnam. And the last one is the turtle. The turtle is for the long live the king. Okay, so everyone can go inside from the right and outside from the left. I will wait here for 10 minutes waiting for everyone.
Buat awak-awak ini anggar tu. Saja ni betul dia.
is will built based on the feng shui. Yes, feng shui in China is the wind and the water, and it's built exactly like this ladder. So the outside is a Kluk. Kluk means the country. Yeah, Kluk is the country. Inside is a Tong. Tong means the job or the success. Yes. So you can see it's the square here is for the Kluk, and the Kluk is like this one. Yeah? And it's based on feng shui. Anyone see that mountain? Anyone can guess? This look like? This look like the M shape, right? And we call it the Shadow Horse Mountain. So the legend said when the Ling King was dead, enemy want to find his body. So we make 100 coffin, put in 100 horse and 100 mountain. But no one can find the true body of the Ling King. But we believe the Ling King is the body is in that mountain. Yes. Okay. So that is everything I want to introduce today in the Bali Asian capital.
Jadi hari ini kita bakal trekking naik sepeda. Tinggal nunggu truk aja di depan. Oh enggak lah, orang lain lah. Ajaib lek sama orang. Gila. Di negara sendiri udah nggak tahu sepedaan, di negara orang sepedaan gimana sih? Iya dah. Tahu ini apa? Wapi. Tadi habis sepedaan, sekarang kita istirahat makan. Ini buffet, kita tunjukin ya. Buffet masakan Vietnam. Ada lumpia, kayak sate lilit ya.
More than 1 hour. Yeah, and the time is for each person is different because the staff, the person who rolling the boat, mostly female, and the man and the young person already go to the factory, so they doing really hard work doing the boating for everyone. So if you're happy with the trip, please you can give them some tip for $1 to $2.
Okay, you go first. This one.
Kita akan memasuki gua Hang Lam Lam Cave. 60 Hang Lem. Hang Lem.
Hàng Lâm.
Hang Lem. Hang Lem. Hang Lem Cave. 60 meter, 60 meter. Oke.
Awas kepala.
Wow. Ngepres.
Gym tiap hari gym. Pakai jajahnya paling kuat kan. Awak kan. Tapi itu latihan. Ya baik. Bosku, itu capek dandanan lo.
Hang Tuke. Hang Pak. Hang Pak. Ini gua kedua yang dalamnya 250 meter, panjangnya guanya 250 meter. Belok. Wih.
Silau.
Mountain, oke. Mountain. Beautiful.
Numpuk.
Foto, yes. Ada yang foto private, guys. Wow. Hello. Thánh Chuột. Thánh Chuột Cave. Panjangnya 320 meter. Tadi yang pertama 60, yang kedua 200 berapa tadi? Yang ini 320. Panjang, lebih dalam, lebih panjang. Head down. Head down. Wah, ini bagus banget sih.
Bukan arung jeram tapi ini toh dia kan istilahnya pakai jam itu ada istilah
Cetek kok, mas gitu. Kita ke gua yang 4. Panjangnya 150 meter, namanya Hangdai. 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 Hangda Cave. 150 meter. Ini pendek banget sih.
enggak sih
Takut. Ketatap lumayan ini. Ini kalau bule-bule yang tinggi tadi tuh ini. Mungkin. Oh iya dah.
iya sampai jiwa tinggi
Aku nyampe nggak berani lihat belakang sih. Oh Dina nang ngarep ono watu nih.
Iya, Mas. Nanti itu kalau meleng.
Oh yang ngarakno pinter. Oh balapan dia.
Ini bapak soalnya Pak. Balik hutan awal tadi kita dapat.
Finally sampai di tujuan. Belum.
Iya.
We arrived at Hai Kung Fu Ulam. Oke, sini Ciwatu. Ini kayaknya ada temple ya. Kita ada di sebuah temple. Temple di tengah gunung. Di sini gunung-gunung. Kita akan coba masuk sebentar.
Ini kita bolongan-bolongan itu mungkin mereka
Kita intip dalamnya ya. Ya, ini ada temple satu lagi ya. Jadi total di sini ada berapa temple? Temple lagi.
Harus kirim ke kanan, tidak
harus
ada
kiri
minyak.
ke kanan. Nanda nggak imbang. Kohen nyemangatin dong.
Udah selesai kayakingnya, naik boat tadi, ikut mendayung, seru banget. Kasihan soalnya tadi yang dayung di belakang tuh ibu-ibu udah tua banget. So far memuaskan. Face-nya bersih, terus tempatnya juga bersih. Nggak disangka sebagus ini juga. Nah terus ya, ini juga lagi masih dibangun atau apa. Masih ada pengembangannya berarti ke depan. Kita tinggal nunggu kloter yang terakhir datang, terus kita bakal lanjut ke trip berikutnya. Habis ini kita mau hiking naik ke atas gunung bukit. Namanya Dancing Cave.
Iya.
Aku udah sing kita tadi lihat itu. Kita tadi satu tok sing melok, sing dua gak melok.
Jadi kita akan menaiki lewat tangga-tangga ini. Ini kita lihat dulu ada cave satu. Oh, oke.
Depan itu. Nah, bisa turun ini ya.
Itu turun.
Jadi katanya ini ada 500 tangga untuk nyampe atas. Lumayan jauh. Ini bakal capek banget karena tadi udah kayaking seharian. Tenaga udah terkuras, terus sekarang lanjut naik gunung. 500 step naik, terus balik lagi 500 step. Gila sih ini. Aduh, semangat. Mumpung udah sampai sini harus lihat. Ini udah di tengah-tengah, udah agak tinggi tuh. Semangat. View-nya oke, dari atas bagus banget. Ini udah tinggi banget sih. Ini ada namanya Welcome to Lion Dragon Top. Oke, kita ada di puncak naga. Di sini ada dua, bisa naik lewat sini, bisa naik lewat sini. Nggak tahu ini bagus yang mana. Tapi kelihatannya sini lebih curam. Jadi kayaknya kita coba yang sebelah sini. Oke, kita udah sampai di ujung. View-nya luar biasa. Masih ada orang yang nekat naik, itu harusnya kayak dilarang karena ada pagernya, tapi aku nggak mau naik sana terlalu penuh, biarin aja orang-orang itu. Tapi paling nggak aku udah sampai atas. Perjuangan turun lebih susah kayaknya. Oke, kita udah sampai hampir ke atas, itu masih ada atasnya lagi. View-nya luar biasa. Itu ada puncak satunya lagi, kayak ada pagodanya. Di atas itu juga bakal ada pagodanya. Di atas itu ada pagoda juga. Luar biasa. View bagus banget. Oke, finally sudah sampai bawah. Ternyata namanya kenapa Dancing Cave?
Tadi dia ngomong kalau turun terus gemeter.
Iya, karena kalau turun nanti kakimu gemeter kayak lagi nari, makanya namanya Dancing Cave. Oke, sampai di sini turnya. Nanti malam mau nonton puppet show. Itu boneka di atas air gitu, pertunjukan. Itu juga terkenal di Vietnam, jadi harus nonton mumpung sudah sampai sini. Sekarang waktunya buat nyari kopi, daripada nanti waktu nonton puppet show ngantuk, jadi harus ngopi dulu sekarang.